Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting ready to start a couple big projects and I think everybody's gonna like it, so let me show you what we got. Ta-da! We got the 460 International in here. Gonna get it going, which it's running. It needs some work on the miscellaneous stuff. I still gotta fix the steering, do it right. And the 3-point, this is all janked up. We need to get rid of these arms, get them fixed. And I got a seat for that and some gauges and just miscellaneous stuff. But the whole thing sure runs good. But that's an upcoming video. Oh, so stay tuned. But right here is what we're going to work on first. The WD, yes, I still have it. Kind of a shame on me deal too. It's been sitting there, sitting a while, and I drug it in here with the 460 because I got to work on both of them. So brought them in together. And what I'm getting ready to do with this, I love Allis Chalmers, love the WD, like the Allis Chalmers stuff in general. But this tractor is 6 volt and I absolutely hate it. It's the only thing on the place that's 6 volt. And someone's probably going to cringe, but I'm going to yank this battery out and toss it. Same thing with that generator. It goes bye-bye. We're going to put a 1-wire alternator in here. And we're going to make this 12 volt. So, and get it running. It's been setting too long. And probably have to go through the carb as long as it's set. I'm going to try it first, clean the bowl up, and go. But I'll probably have to do some work on it. So, for all you original enthusiasts that's probably getting ready to bash me in the comments, I don't care, it's my tractor. I love old tractors, but also like some of the modern stuff that's convenient, like the 1-wire Chevy alternator, 1 hot wire to the battery, 12 volt, it's going to spin faster, it's going to start better, and I don't have to have a special battery or a special starter because everything else on the place is 12 volt. So we're converting this, and we're going to get this running, and you're going to get to see this and the 460 in action here pretty quick. We're going to do some brush hogging, cleaning, getting the field ready. Next year we're going to plant some corn, hopefully. Got the plows and planters and everything. So the Predator powered farm, or you've seen the Predator powered farm, all the F20 with a 13 horse in it. But we're going to do a little Allis C with that way, and we're going to run the corn planters and stuff. So stay tuned. But today's video, this right here, I want to get this old girl going. We're going to fire her up and we're going to get it going. I love this old tractor, and I probably have cleaned the points and stuff too. It's set a while, but anyway, enough rambling. I'm going to get stuff dug out, tools kind of laid out, ready to go, and for now, I'm just going to unhook this and yank this out of here so it's not in my way, and just enough to get it started. You know, we're going to get the wires off and stuff, but anyway, hopefully we can get it going. And I ordered a new coil for it. It's got the resistor built in. I didn't feel like messing with the resistor, and it's kind of janky looking, and it was $10 for, you know, the one with the built-in resistor. And they're all, anybody that don't know, all coils like this are 6 volt, but when you run a 12 volt system, you put a resistor in it, and it just always kind of looked janky. But I got a nice one we'll put in there and be done with it. So anyways, I had an alternator to come, so let me get my tools dug out, everything kind of halfway laid out where I can start without making 100 trips to the toolbox, and I'll get set up, get the camera set up, and we'll start on this. So stay tuned, and hopefully by the end of the day, this old girl's going to be running. So see you here in a bit. All right, set up. First things first, let's get this junky battery out of here. It is no good. Needs to be gone. Like I said, I know 6 volts used to be what they had, but I want 12 volt, just for the sake of convenience around here. And they start a lot easier too. So, just gonna do away with this, make life so much better. At least for me. Okay. Junk, which was a half. Alright. Gas is off, that's good. Let's dump this settling bowl out while I'm thinking about it. Lots of treasures. A little water in there if you can see it. So, dump this out. little bit nasty. Alright. Not too bad now. Looks good. The rest of it didn't have no water in it, so. Get this put back on. Alright. Okay. Let's see here. Now, let's get this unhooked. That's out. We ain't gonna need this anymore. Oh, come on. Hopefully I didn't block too much of that. Very simple, ain't much to take off of these. I'll be darned. It's gonna come off of my fingers. Yeah, of course not. Anyway, so now I'm just going to let it sit here and run. We'll deal with the bracket and everything later. Mainly just want to get this running today, so that's the main goal. All right, next step. It's got a battery. Be close. Come on. Very precise little fit here. I might have to do some changing here. Yeah, it looks like it. If that fits, it's going to be very, very snug. I don't think I have another battery. Oh, really? Just not make you mad. About normal. Healthy. Alright, let me see if I have another battery. I don't think that I do. Nope. Let's see here. Might have to set it a little sideways for today. At least we can see what's going on. Temporary, so don't get too bad on me. Hopefully. Of course, that won't reach. Yes. Kind of limited here. They didn't give me enough cable for nothing. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off, get this sorted, and I'll be right back when I get the battery fixed. Situated at least anyway. Hey everybody, got a battery in it, so don't jump out of your seat. It's not real pretty, but temporary. Alright, here's what I had to do. I stole the battery out of that because I didn't have one, and I took an old cable and made it work. The other one was so short I couldn't, the battery wouldn't fit in the box, and it's the smallest one I had, so I had to do this just to crank it for today. But I'll get a battery that fits in there later, and I just did not want to go to town. That would have been another about 30 minutes time I got out here and got to town, so I ain't even messing with it. Then 30 back, so for today, that's what we got. So I did bump the starter, it bumped over, so let's turn some gas on. And let's see, get this filled up. Hopefully the carburetor will be alright and won't spit and sputter everywhere. Then we'll go over there, turn it, and hopefully we'll get some fire. I don't want it to mess with the points too much. Tighten that settling bolt back up. Alright, going through. What are we going to look like down here? Hopefully the fan ain't too noisy. I was about to die out here. It's hot. So, for temporarily, let's put that up there. Aha. Let's choke that. Well, it ain't running out, so maybe we'll get lucky. Next deal is if we got any fire, I'll probably have to clean the points. Hold on. Oh, boy, that switch does not want to come out. Like I said, it's horrific looking right now, but it's all I could do. Make sure we're in neutral. All right. Say one thing, the crank's good. Hold on. See if we got some fire. We'll put this thing on it. Smell gas. These plug wires are about scary looking too. Let's see here. Bear with me a minute on the camera work. I know it ain't real good, but see if we can see some fire. Not a lick. Okay. Let me dig out some memory boards and all that good stuff, and we'll get in here and I'll file the points, and then we'll come back and see what happens. So, see you here in a bit. Alright, everybody. We're back. Let's see if we got some fire. Let me see if I can get this, I can see it a little bit better. Maybe. Still ain't got no fire. I wonder if something's going on here. Alright, hold on. Be back in a second. Hey everybody, figured out what was going on. It had been a long time since I dealt with this. I'll show you what happened. It's actually got a 6-volt positive ground system on it. And I forgot to change the coil, of course. It's hot in my brain. I'm a little foggy headed right now. I'm trying to get this done. But anyway, I'll show you what the deal is. On this coil, which I'm getting ready to change this, here's the new one I bought. I got in a hurry trying to start it. So forgive me for that. But anyway, if you'll notice on this one, on the positive ground, the positive right here on the coil is going into your distributor. And your negative over here is your hot wire coming in. And if this one has still got points on this 460, but it's the positive ground system. So I'll come over here and hopefully you can see it. I'll put a little light on it maybe. I know that ain't very much, but see that negative right there? That wire goes down and around and goes to the distributor. So what I've got to do, I'll squeeze back over here. I'm gonna switch these coils out real quick and put the new one on, and I'll get the negative side to the distributor and the positive to the hot to the ground over there, and get that set up right and it'll work. So I'll get that done and I'll be right back. Like I said, it's hot and I'm just tired and it ain't working. But anyway, I'll get this done and be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back. Got it going. So I'll start it up for you. Like I said, got the coil right, got everything switched around. Still didn't have no fire. Well, come to find out, the switch was bad too, but the coil still needed swapped. I mean, that had to be done. With a positive ground system, you got to, you know, swap it to where back to where it's normal 12 volt, you know, negative ground. And it goes from have the negative side of the coil to the distributor on the negative ground. Positive ground goes from positive to the distributor. But anyway, that's all fixed. Got the test light out, which I need to get out of there, but completely dead. I had no power at all coming to this, and come to find out, which it looks horrible, all my wiring and my switch and everything's bad in there. No matter what I did, I couldn't get power out of it. So fuse wasn't blown, no contacts are just dirty inside the switch. So, but anyways, go ahead and test light over there. But we got it going. It does run, it runs good. So Benji've waited for it. I'll go ahead. I just got, what I did, I just run a hot wire from the coil straight to the battery for now. So, just for testing purposes, so don't bash me in the comments. This is all temporary for today only. After today, I'm going to get the right battery and the right parts and redo it and make everything nice and neat like I normally do. So, bear with me. But let's get this started and you can hear it running. I'm very excited. This thing's been sitting a while, which is my fault, but should be good to go. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, she lives again. There you can see the fire. She's a purring like a kitten. Got good oil pressure. This one's actually got a brand new motor in it. Old boy rebuilt it, got it off a retired Allis Chalmers dealer. Very happy, it's running, it's going. I'll get the fluids all checked and we'll get everything going. Get the alternator on it, get away with that generator. I don't want nothing to do with it. She lives. Rescued it again. So we're gonna get on this. I'm gonna get on this tractor and get with it and try to get it all put it back nice like it's supposed to be and everything. And you're gonna see this on the channel quite a bit. As well as that 460, it's next. So get this fixed where I can get it out. But these tractors, I loaned my Ford out, and that was really, I kind of did that for two reasons. They needed it to upkeep the other place, and it was too convenient to go start that tractor. And with it gone, I finally got off my butt and got these in here so I could get them going. So stay tuned, and you're going to see a lot more of these tractors on the channel. We're going to do some working with them and get stuff going. So we're still going to do the Predator tractor build, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, I'm going to finish this up. So one last piece. I'm proud of that. Yeah, we might clean carb a little bit later, but it's running pretty good right now. So. And now she's normal. She's 12 volt negative ground like she's supposed to be. 8 oddballs, the only one on the place of the 6 volt. So working now. Well, anyways, that's enough of that. I'm gonna finish this up, get this done, get it done right, and then we'll start on the farm all, and I'll make videos of that. So hopefully that ain't too loud, but get out here where you can hear me. But anyways, like I said, stay tuned for the farm all video coming up. You're gonna get to see both these on the channel. So I guess that's it. Before I start rambling, I'm gonna get off here. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, don't cost nothing. Hit that bell when you do, and you'll get notified of videos like these tractor repairs and all the upcoming tractor videos and farming videos and everything else we got going. So that is it for this video. So as always, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Bye.